And she replied something along the lines of, well, who knows? Jesus could be back soon, and I chuckled. Did that thing where you blow air out of your nose and smile. I thought it was a joke. Like, ha, Superman is gonna come fly us to her grandma's house. And she looked at me and asked me why I laughed. Like, Jesus could actually, really show up on Earth? She got upset and said yes. Then the rest of the car ride was quiet. So instead of thinking Jesus is real, I thought, wow, my friend must be really gullible. Then once I got home, I told my grandmother about it. I thought it'd be a funny story. Like telling someone that your friend thinks elves are real. But she about. For the next 10 minutes we kept talking, and I started to realize that, oh my god, my grandmother thinks the stories are real. Does everyone think that the stories